Hi everyone, it's Muriel. I am here this morning to show you a tutorial on a birdhouse that I made. Look at it there. It is filled with candy, has a rooftop, and just a Easter sticker on the back. So let's get going. This is a die. I'm using two dies actually. I'm using I call it the milk carton, but it's not the milk carton. It is the seasonal gift box die from Sizzix. So it looks like that. If you have that in your stash, go ahead and pull it out. You want to cut the base of it twice, right? This big piece here, you have to cut it twice in order to put the milk carton together. And then to cut out the circle in the center so you can see through the birdhouse, I am using the nesting dies by Coco Reno. I'm using the third die of the circle, and that makes that size. And then you just cut some acetate and glue that on the inside, which I've done. I've kind of put some of the tape on it so that this can move smoothly. So let's get started. I've also folded the edges where they need to be folded. So I'm going to go ahead and take this tape off. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. I am. So I've completed, this will be the third box. I need to make probably around 6, I'm sure. So actually, I'm going to put it on this side. Let's get this side off first. My bird, I cut out of a Cricut cartridge called, I think it's the Give a Hoot cartridge. And it has a bird, has several things on there, several, wildlife. And I cut it out. And it is cut out to 1 1/4 inch. I thought I had it here somewhere. I'll show you as I begin picking up stuff. This is the bird here. 1 1/4. So I cut that out because that fits perfectly onto the window. Oh, that moved a little. Okay. So then let's go ahead and get this folded over, even with the tape exposed. Sorry about that. We're going to fold this over. I've had this die for so long, never used it, wanted to use it at Christmas time, didn't find the time to do it then, so now the time has come, and it's perfect for these birdhouses. There is a something on Pinterest I saw where you can make this without a die. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and get on Pinterest and search birdhouse, and you'll probably see where you could cut this out and make this without using a die. So I'm just going to fold this right here like so. Okay, so now I like to make sure this box is straight because, as you bend it, it gets kind of wobbly. So now I'm going to go ahead and close up the bottom. So you have these two here and then that one there to close up. And again, you want to make sure that it is totally squared off. So let's go ahead and get some glue here. Let's lay this straight so I can make sure that it is as straight as it can be. Put some here. And then some along the side. You can use tape if you want. I'm just doing this with the glue. Like so. I want to make sure that's lined up. Just going to hold that there for a minute before I turn it on this bottom. And then I'm going to put a stamp inside the box so that it will have some pressure to stay closed. Okay, now my bird, here's my bird. I punched a hole in the bird's eye. I've put the wing on, and I got some tape in the back. And then I have some I've cut out some of these greenery leaves that I'm going to use as well. This is just from one of my dies. I don't know which one, but Actually, it's not this one. It's this one because I want it to curl up. These are some that I had in my stash. So we're going to use this one here with the bird. I have some candy that I'm going to put in here. I have some chocolate Easter eggs that have the foil on them, which is perfect. And I have some of these. I have to look at it. These are the Robin Eggs, malted milk candy in a crunchy shell by Whoppers. And I'm going to put those in a plastic bag. So let me get a plastic bag really quick. I don't want to physically handle them. So I have a plastic bag here. I'm just going to try to drop 3 of the mothballs in this bag. Oh, great. There's one down. Okay. So, got 2 blue and 1 yellow. And then this way, you're not handling them. You're not touching them. Okay. So now, okay, I think that's pretty steady, pretty glued up. So I have some grass, and I'm going to throw in here. This is that colorful grass. And I just want to be able to give the candy something to sit on and be raised up. Squish that down. Like a nest, right? Okay, so we're going to drop our eggs in. And we're going to grab 3 of these chocolate balls, kind of getting all different colors. There we go. Okay, and then you're going to pinch it on the side, right? And that's going to bring it together. What is this? Like the carton. Just like that, right? Okay, let's go ahead and add our bird on. We're going to put him like this. And then we're going to throw the leaf on him like so. So there you go there. So let's peel this off. I'm just going to put a little glue on it. And then put a little glue on the leaves. And then I like to put them down together so that I know that they're kind of evenly spaced. Okay, now I have some shingles for the roof. As you can see on top here, I used the pink. And what I did was I cut them, the width is 2.5, or the length is 2.5, and then the width is 1.5. And I'm just going to kind of stack them like that on the side, right? My other one's a little, so I guess that, I don't know how yeah, it's going to be like that. So what I like to do is just put tape on it. I don't want to put the wet glue, so I'm just going to put some tape on that part there. This part there. This tape, that's why I'm using it, because I don't like it. So let's turn her on her side. Actually, I want to close it up first. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel the tape off the top. On both sides here. This die is so multi, you know, you can use it for many purposes. On the box, you can see how they used it. It has all the pieces for a house, a window, you know, so it can look like the yard is, you know, a planter box on the side. You can make it Christmassy. There is a tree as well in here with the wreath. So you can spin it however you want. So I'm just going to bring these sides together. There we go. Pinch that close. And see how that's looking? Adorable. Okay, now we're going to get our shingles on the roof. And I'm going to start at the bottom. And I'm just going to lay that piece there. My second piece will go a little higher. Okay. And then my third piece will match up along the top of the carton, like so. There we go. You can see it kind of, this has a nice overhang as opposed to my other one. The overhang is small, but that's fine. I'm just trying different ways. So here is 3 more of the rooftops. So put some tape on that. Okay, now I want to make sure I match it so that they're kind of hanging off about the same. There we go. Press, press, press. Okay, get the second one. Press, press, press. And then the third one. Just going to put a little glue here. Okay, look how cute that is. Okay, then for the back of it, I want to add something. On this one here, I had a sticker. So I'm going to reach in here. I have a sticker sheet from, oh gosh, Echo Park Color Play. Let's see here. Trying to use these sticker sheets up, so I'm just going to grab this basket here and place it on the back. And there you have it. A cute, adorable birdhouse with candy on the inside. So I hope you guys get to try this. Again, it's so much fun. You know, you can cut out the shingles for the house. The die comes with these pieces that you would layer on top. Like you'd have that one for the bottom, and then this would be your layering piece to go on top. And you can see how on the example, it's white in the background and red on top. So it's up to you. I chose to do it this way. I kind of like that look. So there you go. I'm glad I was able to share this with you guys. And until my next video, you guys have a good day. Bye now.